this morning. Got me feeling brand new, like I know what to do. Got me feeling nostalgic. Ancestors sending clues, I'm sending gratitude back. Cause the whole world outside, sun in my eye, a girl in my ride, head in the sky. We gon' make it if we try. The truth never lie, wings we could fly. With you by my side. This morning, oh yeah, and I woke up this morning. Not every day is easy, but I'ma keep it breezy. Not every day is easy, but I'ma keep it breezy. I'm like a caterpillar turned into a butterfly. I'm on the grass, it's always greener on the other side. And we gon' make it out the struggle, though we traumatized. I used to take this life for granted, I apologize. So thankful I'm alive, this jungle I survive. I'm on a natural high, just like the east side rise. My ex is sunny side, it's up to you to decide. Get on my level, tell the devil go somewhere and hide. The whole world outside, sun in my eye, a girl in my ride, head in the sky. We gon' make it if we try. The truth never lie. Floating, weightless, undersea, diving, conscious, like a dream. You and me. Little by little we're drowning, drowning down. Little by little the tide is rising. Little by little we're drowning, drowning down. Little by little the tide is like these frozen.
You just got hired into a fight. You stepped into a situation. Here you are just whistling and skipping and going down there to bring them some lunch so they could get something to eat, never knowing that this is the day that you're going to have to use your weapons in a way you never had to use them before because you have been chosen for a fight. Nobody could beat Goliath but David. None of Saul's army could beat Goliath but David. Nobody could defeat him, not with swords, not with chariots, not with fire, not with any kind of weaponry, but David could defeat him because he was chosen. So look at somebody and say, I'm chosen.
I'm chosen.
Yeah, you're getting a little bit better with it now. You're getting a little bit better with it. It's coming on. I'm chosen for this fight. I have been chosen.
to get it right. Trying to find some balance in my life, but I never really put up a fight. Didn't follow my dreams, and now I'm losing sleep. Slowing it down, until yours if you want. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth the ride. You will make it in time. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say you'll make
Ayy, look, I'm like, if you broke, just say that. Ain't no need to hate. You should know that I don't play that. Nah, we can't debate. I'm like, if you lame, just say that. Nah, I can't relate, but you should know that we don't play that. So nah, I can't debate. I'm like, if you broke, just say that. Ain't no need to hate. You should know that I don't play that. Nah, we can't debate. I'm like, if you lame, just say that. Nah, I can't relate, but you should know that we don't play that. So nah, I can't debate. Ay, what the be wrong with y'all? On my no, and I ain't just called to stall. I'm really tryna knock down all you walls. These talk tough as but when it come time they call the laws. And I really do rock with me, so tell me why I need y'all applause. Good God, y'all lame as better stick to your lane as well. Look like you made to fail. I never could let no shade prevail. And I feel too blessed today. I just got paid like yesterday. And I think I'll fool the ride. So baby girl, put your away. I'm like, if you broke, just say that. Ay, ain't no need to hate. You should know that I don't play that. Nah, we can't debate. I'm like, if you lame, just say that. Nah, I can't relate, but you should know that we don't play that. So nah, I can't debate. I'm like, if you broke, just say that. Ain't no need to hate. You should know that I don't play that. Nah, we can't debate. I'm like, if you lame, just say that. Nah, I can't relate, but you should know that we don't play that. So nah, I can't debate. I'm like, what the be on your mind? Hating on me like all the time. Look, you lame as think about me, get on your grind. Them boys too internet, talk too tough, ain't being a threat. Good pack cigarette, can't see me, my silhouette. You weak, you jive as phone too dry, no clientele. I thrive, I'm live and well. Sold out show, I'm live as well. Smoked out, been can't find me, just find the smell. Invest, I buy the sell. Claim they rich, bet time I tell. I'm like, if you broke, just say that. Ain't no need to hate. You should know that I don't play that. Nah, we can't debate. I'm like, if you lame, just say that. Nah, I can't relate, but you should know that we don't play that. So nah, I can't debate. I'm like, if you broke, just say that. Ain't no need to hate. You should know that I don't play that. Nah, we can't debate. I'm like, if you lame, just say that. Nah, I can't relate, but you should know that we don't play that. So nah, I can't debate.
seal it. You're like an ocean without land, not a single grain of sand. I'm drifting on it. So cold yet warm when you hold me, when you're close. I know I'm a lost case, I'm a mess. But everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter right through the gray. Hope it's the last thing that I need. Wanna feel something that's real. With you I get that. You're like a lighthouse in a dream, really distant but your beam is guiding me home.